Your destination is on the left.
All right, everybody, for an emergency roadside assistant in San Francisco, California. We got another one for you. We're here at the beach, helping somebody for a jump start. Let's turn around. I'll see where he's at. Hope you enjoy. And like I said, we are here at the beach, giving somebody a jump. I hope you enjoy. All right. Let's go. Yeah, you're gonna go outside in a little while. You're gonna enjoy the view. All right. Let's get this John a jump. ¿Cómo está, primo? Jump start, huh? Yeah, you're gonna go up. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and park. We're gonna take out the boss here. We're gonna walk the boss, Beauty. She loves the beach, she loves the parks. And we just got done doing that roadside service, so we're gonna go ahead and park right here. Yeah, you're going out. Look at that. Look at the water, Beauty. Wow. There you go. How beautiful. Look at that. Woo, beautiful. All right, let me get you going. We'll get you outside. Let me roll this window up so I won't get a lot of dust in here. Let's find you. No. Hold on, baby. Yeah. All right, look at that. Beautiful. It seems like she's enjoying it. All right, everybody. Hope you guys doing well out there for the emergency roadside assistant. Another video as a jump start at the beach. Ocean Beach. They go to Bay Cliff House. We used to play games in there, video games. We had to do the bonfire out here. Alright, everybody, for an emergency roadside assistant. Hope you guys enjoy and take care.